So viewers, we are starting this bulletin with some updates and breaking updates coming in of more details from the Major General level talks between India and China. The army sources say that the Major General level meeting that ended some time ago were cordial and positive, and both sides have agreed for more talks further to this. Latest updates coming in, we do know that there were a series of talks that happened between both sides of a Major General level talks between India and China. The army sources are now stating that the Major General level meeting that ended some time ago were cordial and positive, and both sides agreed for more talks. Let's go across to my colleague Tejinder, who's also joining us live on this broadcast. So Tejinder, it seems like the Major General level talks that are currently underway between India and China, they have ended some time ago. They ended on a cordial and positive note. Take us to the details, please.
Yes, Richa, the talks which started at around 10:30 this morning lasted for more than 6 hours, and what the army sources who are privy to the discussion that took place during the talks, they are saying that the talks ended on a positive and cordial note, and both the sides, they have agreed to hold more talks. So clearly steps are being taken by both the sides to ensure that some sort of de-escalation does take place at those places where the violence took place. Though right now the army maintains that disengagement has taken place both from the Chinese side and from the Indian side. But yes, the situation on the ground continues to be tense because 20 brave hearts of the Indian army, they were killed in action during the violence that took place Monday night in the Galwan Valley, where the Indian side had gone to tell the Chinese counterpart to get the structure, that tent removed, which they had once again erected there after dismantling it. Because on June 6, when the Lieutenant General level talks were held, in both the sides agreed that that a disengagement would take place, and the Chinese side had also agreed that they will move back, they will move eastward by 5 kilometers. So clearly, today also the Major General level talks that were started at around 10:30 ended after more than 6 hours. The discussion continued for more than 6 hours, and what the sources privy to the meeting are telling Republic TV is that the meeting ended at a positive and cordial note, and both the sides, they have agreed that such type of meetings will continue in the coming days. So today was the third such meeting which has happened in the recent past few days ever since this violence took place at the line of actual control. So both the sides, they have said that the dialogue channels will continue to remain open, though the violence has taken place. There is large scale anger among the people across India, but both the sides, the military level dialogue will continue, and both the sides today also agreed that the dialogues will continue in the days to come. Yes, Richa.
In fact, Tejinder, there was a very clear statement coming in from the MEA spokesperson as well today. They have maintained the fact that although China and India are in regular touch, they are expecting China to confine their activities to its sides of the border. In fact, they also went on to state, and I quote, that they strongly are committed to ensuring that India's sovereignty and territorial integrity is maintained. So although India is on the verge of a peace talk with China, but at the same time, they will make sure that their territorial integrity remains sane.
See, Richa, yesterday when Prime Minister Narendra Modi also spoke about the incident, he said that though India wants peace with all its neighbors, India wants that all the neighboring countries, they should flourish, there should be peace among them, but India will never tolerate anything that happens to the sovereignty and integrity of this nation, and India has every right and every mean to defend the sovereignty of the country. And today also, the MEA has issued the statement, and during the press conference, they maintained that the dialogues, the dialogues at the military level, they are still on. Though India wants peace, but India will never compromise on the sovereignty and integrity of the nation. the Prime Minister yesterday also made it amply clear that the sacrifice made by 20 brave hearts of the Indian Army will not go in vain. And also when today, what I have been told, when the dialogues were on, the Indian side made it amply clear to the Chinese counterpart that, see, you people have once again violated all those agreements, including the agreement that we reached on June 6th, wherein you agreed that you will be moving behind by 5 kilometers. You have not abided by that
Absolutely,
agreement,
yeah.
and you should immediately do that. This was what Indian side conveyed to the Chinese counterparts. Yes,
Right.
Richa.